Hello everyone, my name is Pandana and this is my project submission for the Microsoft Mentorship Program Engage 2021. Before we go into the demo, let me introduce myself first. I am Spandana Ratnala, a sophomore in National Institute of Technology Warangal, specializing in the Department of Electronics and Communication. I am always enthusiastic to learn and explore new fields. I am skilled in coding, communication and event planning. I am also a CTF player and penetration tester in CyberSec NITW. Now let's dive into the features. They include one-to-one direct calls, which is a mandatory function. Authentication using Google, GitHub, Facebook. Group calls using Pair.js. Chat feature before, after and during the call. Sharing the screen. Toggling of audio stream. And also toggling of video stream. The technologies I used for the app are WebRTC for implementation of direct calls, Pair.js for the implementation of group calls, Socket.io as the signaling server, Express.js for backend, React for frontend, and Firebase for authentication and database. Building an extensive app like this is not an easy task, but with the help of Agile methodology, I was able to finish my app in the form of sprints. Frequent hosting, testing, and receiving feedback helped me in improving the app in every sprint. Let's view the sprints. Sprint 1. Being a beginner in this field, I had to research a lot in order to come up with an efficient design, and I was able to complete the mandatory function, which is implementation of the direct calls in Sprint 1. Sprint 2. In this sprint, I came up with a different interface and I focused on the conversation buttons, which include toggling, audio and video streams, and also screen sharing. Sprint 3. In Sprint 3, I included the group call functionality using Pair.js and also one-to-one chat feature during the call. Sprint 4. This sprint included building the chat feature before a call, which is an ad hoc feature, and also included authentication. Let's head over to my project demo. Welcome to the project demo. This is how my login page looks like. We can sign into the application by using Google, FB or GitHub, or log in as a guest. Now I'm signing in with Google. This is how my dashboard looks like. These are the active participants which are present in my app. We can also log out by using this button. Once again, I'm signing in with Google. And we can start the conversation with any of them by clicking on them. This is a real-time chat application, and we can also call any of them by clicking on this video call option here. Hi, Jay. So this is how the direct call looks like. We can mute and unmute our voice, and we can off and on the videos, and we can also share the screen. Jaya, can you share your screen?
Yes.
So I can see my screen here. This is how the screen share looks like. Thank you, Jaya. We'll join in the group call. So in order to join the group call, I need to create a room. So I just created a room, and my friends will join in this. Hi. So this is the group call application. We can on and off the video and also on and off the audio. Anyone can leave the room if they want, and the call will not be disturbed. Meghna, can you leave the room?
Yeah.
So this is how it looks like. If I leave the room, then the complete group call will be closed. So this is how my application works. And thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. This is a great learning experience.